Hello dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Russian for Everybody. Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья! Добро пожаловать на мой YouTube канал Russian for Everybody. And today I have a special topic for you. How to express your interest, your surprise or doubt in something that another speaker tells to you. In English it's very simple. You just need to use the word really? Is it so? In Russian it's not so simple. In Russian language we have two question words that can be used instead of English word really. It's РАЗВЕ and НЕУЖЕЛИ. So how the Russian native speakers use these words? Let's find out this. So, РАЗВЕ and НЕУЖЕЛИ. As I told you, both these words can be translated into English like really. Really, is it so? And we use them like question words like где, куда, откуда, почему, отчего, зачем, кто, что. So it's question words. So the word РАЗВЕ it's less emotional than НЕУЖЕЛИ, and НЕУЖЕЛИ is more emotional. It's the first difference. Second point is the word РАЗВЕ can express an interest, a surprise or a doubt. Примеры, example. Разве ты уже закончил работать? So, have you already finished working? So, разве ты уже закончил работать? It expresses my doubt in this fact. Second example, пример номер 2. Разве он женился? Разве он женился? Has he already got married? So, it's a surprising fact for me. It's news for me, I haven't known about it. Разве он женился? Пример номер 3, the third example. Разве ты это не понимаешь? Разве ты это не понимаешь? Don't you understand it? Of course, it's a surprise. And let's compare with the word НЕУЖЕЛИ. So, as I told you before, НЕУЖЕЛИ it's more emotional particle in Russian language, and it can express a doubt, an irony, or a mistrust. So, of course, it also expresses a doubt, but also it expresses an irony or a mistrust. It is more often used in a negative sentences, in negative connotation, but not always, and it's very important. So, examples. Примеры. Неужели ты уже закончил работать? Неужели ты уже закончил работать? So it's very strange for me, really. Неужели он женился? Неужели он женился? So who is that strange girl who got married him? Maybe she's foolish, I don't know. Because this guy is very, very strange. That's why I ask, неужели он женился? And the last example here, the third example. Неужели ты это не понимаешь? Неужели ты это не понимаешь? It's very emotional question, so I don't understand how you can't understand this. You are a fool? Again. Strange. Of course it's strange. But sometimes, of course, these words can express absolutely the same. Like, разве ты не узнал меня? Неужели ты не узнал меня? То есть, for most users, no difference at all. Okay, let's talk about another examples. Maybe next examples will help you to understand these particles more. So, разве, the particle разве, we use when the speaker thinks differently or otherwise. For example, we have a dialogue. Иван будет в Москве в субботу. So, Иван will be in Moscow on Saturday. Иван будет в Москве в субботу. So he will be in Moscow on Saturday. And you need to react this phrase. So what you are doing? Разве? А я была уверена, что он приедет только через неделю. Разве? Really? And I was sure that he will come only in a week. It means that я думала по-другому. I thought differently. I thought differently, and my point of view was different from the information that you give for me now. So the speaker tells me that Иван будет в Москве в субботу, and I thought that he will be in a week. Two different contrast opinions. Okay, and the word неужели we use when it's difficult for the speaker to believe in something. For him, it sounds impossible, like the same dialogue. I start Иван будет в Москве в субботу. And how you react? Неужели? Прекрасная новость. Честно говоря, я не думала, что он сможет приехать. Really? Wonderful news. Прекрасная новость. Честно говоря, frankly speaking, я не думала, I didn't think, что он сможет приехать. That he would be able to come. То есть, it means that мне трудно в это поверить. It's very difficult to believe in it for me. Of course, for many speakers, it sounds almost the same when we talk about РАЗВЕ and НЕУЖЕЛИ, but as you see, here we have a little bit different intentions. And if you look closely at these examples, maybe you will see the difference. I hope so. Okay, so РАЗВЕ means the speaker thinks differently, and неужели means that it's very difficult to believe in it. It's very difficult to believe in it. Maybe we use it if we want to use it like irony. Неужели? Неужели? Like, неужели он женился? So for me, it's strange that someone could marry this guy. Неужели он женился? Okay, and let's talk about the word РАЗВЕ. РАЗВЕ has other usage. Another usage than неужели. So the word РАЗВЕ also can be a conjunction that can be translated as only and express the assumption of the possibility of something. And it is more used in collocation разве что or разве только. Примеры, examples. Он никогда не пьет разве что на Новый год. So here разве что means только, only. So he never drinks, он никогда не пьет, разве что на Новый год. Maybe only on New Year. So I'm not sure. So I think that he can drink for New Year's holidays. That's why I use here the word разве что. Пример номер 2. The second example. Сегодня я не пойду гулять, разве что на полчаса. So today I'm not planning going for a walk. Разве что на полчаса, maybe only for half an hour. Yes, very interesting word. Полчаса. Полчаса means 30 minutes in Russian language. Полчаса is like half an hour. And the last example here. Я сегодня никому не звонил, разве только родителям. So it means I haven't called anybody, but then I remembered that I called my parents, and that's why I use here the word разве только. So разве только родителям. Of course, parents are not everyone, of course. That's why I use here разве только. Я сегодня никому не звонил, разве только родителям. Okay, that's it for today. I hope that today's lesson was useful for you, and you understand the usage of these very interesting words. РАЗВЕ and НЕУЖЕЛИ. Please write your own examples of usage of these words. And if you liked my lesson, please put a like to it, share it with your friends, and if you want to thank me, please send me a donation to support my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for this. It will be very, very high approval of my labor. So see you soon. Bye-bye. Пока-пока.